Hello again, this is Bryant with the Plugin Optimizer team, and I wanted to let you know if you need some help or if you'd like to have the filters created for you that'll speed up your website and keep you from having to load all that junk and extra plugins on your page when you load up. You can pop on over to pluginoptimizer.com, and over here we have the option to buy the premium filter, which has pre-configured filters for your back end of your website, and also you'll get priority support. If you have more than 25 sites, or if you're a large host or a large agency, please feel free to hit the Contact Us form and fill out your information here, and we'll get back with you as soon as we can to talk about some custom options for you. Also, if you need support, you can click on support over here and go to our support request. Or if you'd like to find out more about getting WordPress development or premium plugin optimizer services, customizations, etc., you can click on our services link and go here and fill out a request. So again, if you want to save the headache of having to do all of your filters by yourself, or if you need something that's custom, or you need some kind of plugin work done or WordPress work done, please feel free to reach out to the team over here at pluginoptimizer.com. Thanks.